lights, camera, automation. Welcome to GadgetsPrimer.com, your shortcut to a smarter home. Did you know smart lighting can slash your energy bills by up to 40%? Today, we're unveiling 5 genius gadgets that'll turn your house into a sci-fi retreat. And yes, all links are waiting in the description. Let's geek out. First up, the LetPot LPH SE Hydroponics growing system, where plants get a PhD in growth. This app-controlled indoor garden has a GadgetsPrimer.com rating of 4.6 and grows herbs 3 times faster than your grandma's backyard. Adjust LED schedules, forget watering, and watch basil become the Hulk. It's basically a plant spa with Wi-Fi. Next, let's fan the flames of innovation. Meet the WAC Smart Fan. It's like Siri decided to moonlight as a breeze artist. With a 3.8 GadgetsPrimer.com rating, this 52-inch fan syncs with Alexa, cuts energy costs, and spins so silently you'll forget it's there until your hair gets theatrically windswept. Bonus, its ABS blades won't sag, like my resolve at a buffet. Time to shed more light on. The SMG Modern LED Ceiling Light, your room's mood ring. Rated 4.0 by GadgetsPrimer.com, this dimmable chandelier cycles through 3 color temps and 6,000 lumens. It's like having sunrise, noon, and sunset on a remote. Plus, its eye protection design means you can binge read novels without looking like a sleepy raccoon. Speaking of steps, let's climb to the KMG 3233 motion-triggered stair lights, because tripping in the dark is so 1993. These LED strips light up like a red carpet for your feet, boasting a GadgetsPrimer.com rating of 4.1. Trim them to fit, adjust brightness, and strut upstairs like you're in a TikTok dance challenge. Now let dim the lights for Hatch Restore 3, the alarm clock that hates beeping as much as you do. With a 4.3 GadgetsPrimer.com rating, it mimics sunrises, plays white noise, and has a snooze button your groggy hands can't miss. It's like a yoga instructor for your circadian rhythm. Sweet dreams, tech lovers. Ready to brighten your world? Head to GadgetsPrimer.com for price comparisons, top picks, and more smart home magic. Smash that subscribe button, and remember, the future's so bright, you'll need dimmable LEDs. Catch you in the next video.